Hello, everyone, and welcome back from break. We are going to work very hard for the next week or so because it's the end of the semester and we're a little bit behind. So we are going to be learning about thermal energy, which is how heat moves, and you're going to be watching some videos on your own. Looking at some little simulations, doing some reading, looking at pictures and seeing real world examples, and you're going to be recording that information in your journal. So I just want to show you how to set your journal up, okay? So the last thing you should have in your journal is where we had the, way back when we watched that video on the engineering process, and then on the output page you had your, whoops, sorry, I'm all upside down here, the roller coaster fact sheet. So those are the last two things that you should have in your journal. So you're going to open it up to a new input output. Oh, I made a mistake. The actual last thing that you should have in your journal is the where we talked about the environmental problems caused by theme parks, and you filled out that sort of graphic organizer. And then on the output side, we had the requirements of building the roller coaster. So sorry, my bad. That's the last thing that you should have in your journal. Okay? So now, if you turn your page and set up a new input, you're going to turn it landscape, okay? And I'm going to try to get this centered so that you can pause it and get it all set up. But, whoops, there we go, maybe not. Okay, I'm turning it sideways, and the top of it, the title is going to be Heat Moves, and there's three different types of thermal energy: conduction, convection, and radiation. So those kind of go at the top. They don't take up much room. And then along on the side, I want you to write the definition, make at least 3 examples, and that's going to be easy from the videos that you're going to watch. And then a picture down below, and I kind of used that, I gave that a little bit more space so that you can actually label what you draw. And there's lots of examples in the video and the resources that I'm going to put into Classroom for you to fill that out. So you can go ahead and pause it now if you want and go ahead and get your journal set up. And then after you get that set up, there will be some links and videos in Google Classroom for you to watch. And I would encourage you to watch them first, read through it. Some of them are like drop and drag into place. Learn a little bit about it before you go filling in these sections. Because, you know, if you just copy down what you see from a video and you don't really listen and read and try to understand what it is, then it's really not learning. So, okay, so go ahead and get your journal set up and then watch those videos and read through the links and get this filled out as best you can. Thank you.